Now is the final step in launching your hosted team as a service from your own website. So basically I'm going to show you how to add a buy now button that links to the registration form that allows customers to sign up to your teams hosted in the cloud. So basically, if we go back to our backend, we'll remember our repository here, where the master container for our team is contained. So basically, if we're happy with the plugins we've added and the modifications we've made and the themes we've added through our WordPress admin panel on the backend or via SSH, we've the option here to save all the changes that we made. So this makes a copy of the exact WordPress container that is the master that is going to be deployed when all in customers sign up. So once this is saved, it'll automatically be released to live. And then under revenue, you've got a price plan section, which allows you to configure a price plan that's associated with that master container and that theme. So we can either add a new one or go down to an existing one. I'll just go down to an existing one here. And when I click edit, you'll see all the attributes obviously you can associate with your plan. You've got the RAM that you want to allocate, whether you want your end customers to have code access. So this means can they SSH to the instance, the amount you want to charge, the trial period and days, etc. But you also have this plan code. And this plan code is used to allow customers to sign up to this particular theme with this particular price plan. So if you go to the back end of your own website, your own public website, we provide each team provider with a WordPress plugin which integrates directly with our platform. So here you'll see you've got just some simple settings, which is a username, your domain name, your password, and a background URL that you can specify. You can leave that out if you want. So basically, this is the username that you use to access your backend administration account. And same as the password, and the domain name is the domain that you want your in customer instances to be deployed to. So this can be whatever you want as well. So on the right hand side here, then you'll see how you can embed this button and associated registration form into any page on your website that you want. So you'll see we do this with shortcodes. So basically we have a shortcode, let's say for example this one here, where you can enter another domain or the same domain. It'll pick up whatever you've entered here, or you can overwrite it with by entering a different domain here if you want to deploy a particular theme to a different URL. And the plan code that I just copied from my price plan, which was in here. And that's all basically our platform needs. You can also specify things like the login page that you want them to redirect to be able to log into their backend administration WordPress panel. And then we also have some things here like you can specify your own classes. So you completely configure the look and feel of the button, of the sign up form, the information you want on it, etc. So once you basically you can just take a copy of this code with your price plan, with your plan code in it. And then when you go to the page that you want to embed it in, you basically just put in this shortcode in whatever location on your page you want the offer to be made or the button to be available. So again, you'll see here we've got some attributes. That's the plan code, which is all our platform really needs. But you can also specify other things like the text you want on the button, if it's something other than the default, and you can do your own customizations as well. Once you're happy with that, you click update, your page will be saved, and then the button will appear and will be this form will be immediately available on your website when somebody fills it out. This theme will be deployed in the cloud on the domain that you specified.